Want to add music or audio to your reels using edits? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can add music or audio. Start by heading over to your application edits. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Once you are in the home page, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. It will open up your gallery. Select any of the specific video that you want to edit. Once you have selected the video, tap on add at the top right. Once it has been imported here, now if you're looking to add music or the audio, then click on audio at the bottom left corner of the screen. This interface will pop up on your screen. Well, in the search bar, search for the specific music that you want to add. Once you find the video, click on it. And then tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the music range from where you want to add. Once you have selected, tap on add. And there you can see the music has been added to your video. Likewise, you can add any of the audio that you want. Once you are done editing, tap on export at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the video will be saved into your gallery. That's it, the music has been added. If it helped, give it a likes and check out our next tutorial.